Hello, this is Cringy Toast, and I'm Cringy Bread / RE1067. You saw like every video.
I literally probably like 40 bruises on there because of the past 6 videos. This is number 7, I think.
Here's my dog.
I'll kill the music. That's not my doggy.
Kill the music!
No, you have to kill it.
Oh, sorry. I kill the music.